Hey, morning. I'm heading to the airport right now to pick up my auntie. Cold morning today in Melbourne. You can see all the rain and everything in my windscreen. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Today's gonna be a long day. Melbourne airport right now. Okay, not used to this. Oh, here's the way. Oh, the other one's way. Just follow the Chinese. Virgin Australia. She should be here. Yeah.
Hotel.
Oh yeah.
Agi, pwede tam agi dere?
Pwede. Okay, to straight on top.
Dito maka-park no.
And with Tita and Tita Rene.
Hi.
Hello, welcome to Melbourne.
Yeah.
We made it.
You stupid dog.
Hello.
Oh my God! Nasha!
It's me. Hi. How
are you?
Oh, good. Hi. Hi.
Oh my God! How are you? How are you? How are you? Ka nagsulti, maglagot ka na niya.
Let's not go.
How are you?
Let's not look it.
Where's your daddy?
Let's not look it.
She's not going to school tomorrow.
No.
Why on my face? What is it dark?
Zurich's Hotel is the highest, and they've got a revolving restaurant on top.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, but we got a big deal.
Still very high.
Okay, here.
Solid.
I think. Are you ready?
Jing 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 jing. Oh, it's Jaws. Yeah. All in?
Got it?
Lock the car. I'll carry the big one. I'll bring it. On it. Okay. Ako na ito.
Wait.
Okay na to. Okay na.
Okay na. Okay na. Hindi lang more. Very good. Utong. Ay, utong. Ano na alam mo, pasyente?
Just go. Which floor?
There's... We should go to the first floor. Yeah.
But you know your plane, you have to be on the stairs. What?
Yeah.
It's the stairs. It's not a ramp. Is it going down? No, it's going up.
I was... Just wait for it.
It's not a ramp, so I told the guy, I said, which is better, going that way or this way? He said both ways, it's all stairs.
Yeah, like him.
There
Okay.
we go.
Going down?
Going down.
Lingkod. Kabut yung katita. Pero wala ko katulad na. Where are you going? Back?
Yeah.
Oh, wala ka. Bili na lang yung Ricky.
Huh?
Bili natin yung Ricky.
Sure.
Yeah, because we're gonna walk around. Ito na si Apo.
Yung isang time niya, sa may plano niya.
Nothing.
Nothing?
We just stay here.
Oh,
Don't take a
okay.
time. No, we go walk around. We don't need to be driven.
Pwede yung kuan, kung ang train kuan, nasa train station.
Oh, no. For today, not yet. Because we're not going train, just in the
In the
area.
area, okay.
Today is okay, just in the area.
Tama to be ready, we need to log in, check in.
Hard, is it?
Yeah, but that should be fine.
Doesn't matter.
So it's gonna cost $75.
So hold the 75.
You're gonna love his pants. Look at those pants, mate. You're gonna love them. Okay. I'm using this color grading as of yesterday, and I want to switch to this color grade. Hold on. To this color grade, but seems like it's too saturated, and I feel like I lost the contrast. So might as well go flat profile, and it's gonna look like this. Yep, this is how the flat profile is gonna look like. But I'm gonna change the colors. I'm gonna do post-processing, change the colors, and it should look like this. I don't know. I have to check, because if I do color grading, it's gonna take me time to upload some vlogs. But I hope this will work. Yeah. Tell me, will it work?